Well, in the Philippines, Jollibee, all the men are speaking Tagalog. They do that. Now then, like and subscribe to the channel. Dito kami may video ako sa cellphone. May video ako sa cellphone.
Mother, look here. Mama, oh, here's the one.
Mommy, how about me? One prize. One prize. Where's the nuggets, baby? Oh, these is nuggets. Baby nuggets. Baby nuggets. Wait. Where should I put?
Ano, di ka kayo?
Honey, you drink like this. You drink like this. Oh, but you drink like this. Chicken nuggets. I'll go one bite. It is right there. Hey, just show it to everyone.
You need your rice.
I need a gravy.
Do you want spaghetti? Do you need spaghetti?
I need a gravy.
You need spaghetti, ah.
I need a gravy.
There's no way to go down
Cheese sauce?
barbecue sauce.
Maybe this one. What is this?
Barbecue sauce.
That's for the nuggets?
Yes.
For the nuggets too? What the?
Barbecue sauce you don't like? Oh, walang barbecue yan.
We're in the Philippines, Jollibee. Cheers.
Yun na napiling your rice. Hindi na kayo kasama sa susunod, ah. Sakay kayo eh.
Hey, my fast food. Take a slice. Wait, I think Ate, hindi yun yung What big one there? The patty with mushrooms. From the sweet jelly bean. Hey, don't show that you got Gigi from my mama mug it. I love me. I don't have one. It can always open it.
Yung doon, dami pa niya, no? You want barbecue sauce?
This one is gravy. French gravy with French fries. We'll celebrate at night. We are eating lalabas. Wait a second. My nugget. This barbecue sauce. I have it coming. This barbecue sauce is very good.
Ay, nakitin na, ano eh. Can you sit properly? Ano mo yun? Choose mo na sa chair na. Hindi mo na lang kasama sa food. Ay, di pa na. Madali na rin yung spaghetti. Why you're full now? You're full? You don't drink your own food. Sabi ko na rin soft drinks.
Gravy for me. Oh, yeah, you This is gravy for me. You got garbage. Oh, I have a mushroom now. Ian, you're good at eating mushroom.
O maghahanap.
That one. We almost dead.
Dam.
That's okay, isn't it?
Ito na yung ice cream mo.
There's 2-piece chicken nuggets. I want one. Go right with this. If Billy gets one chicken nugget, it becomes one chicken nugget.
Hindi na lang si Aki. Ito na kaya.
What is this one?
Hindi noodles. Can eat rice too.
Oh, you're not clean. You're cheating with the chicken.
Iyon na lang ang bawas ng kanin mo. Anong balak?
Si Madden din.
Wala akong kanin sa kanin. Iwan ka dito pag di mo naubos yung kanin. Iwan ka talaga dito pag di mo naubos.
No?
Iwan ka dito pag di mo naubos.
Yeah. No.
Hindi niya naubos yung ice cream.
No. I like that. Ham and then rice. Let you go.